Good afternoon. My name is Shola Olashibumi.
My name is Dr. Choji Pam.
It was nice to meet you, sir. I will just have a few questions for you. So the first one is, what emerging research has caught your attention recently?
Okay, well, you recently heard about the new advancement in sickle cell disease where they found cure. Yeah, most of my research in the last 2 years have been about clinical. I've been about sickle cell disease, and I can see from when I started to where I am right now, I've seen really interesting molecules that have modified the disease process. Yeah, so that is really interesting. But there are some aspects of clinical research that I imagine, and it's not just in in Nigeria, it's globally. If you've heard of monoclonal antibodies, yeah, so it has changed completely the approach to cancer treatment. Now we are trying to go into the cellular level where we talk about immunotherapies and all this. So it's really interesting because now they are giving better results than when we are just using a one-style approach to approach cancer. So yeah, that's something to look out for, and that's something that is evolving really.
I think that's very interesting indeed. The second question I have for you is, what particular problems do you think we face when it comes to clinical research in Nigeria?
There are a lot of it. I think the biggest one is the fact that we don't have capacity, we don't have government support, we don't have funding to conduct clinical research. Then more importantly, it feels like we're not trusted to conduct clinical research. So every year, every time we try to explain to the sponsors, the white people that bring this research, that you can actually trust data that is coming from Nigeria. Now, research is all about data that is being generated. Now, if I cannot trust the data that you are generating for the research, I cannot give you the contract to conduct your research. Now, when we generate good data from this part of the world, what it means is that we're actually opening the world to how these drugs are going to work on the people that are here. So it's very important to generate good data, which at this point we're still struggling. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dr. Choji. It was an honor to have you here.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
All right, you too.